Welcome to the amazing Xanadu nature estate. My name is Noel Smeeder.
And I am Lana Smeeder.
We are Team Smeeder from Remax Horizon. Offering hiking trails.
What a beautiful home to showcase.
And how this modern architecturally designed home awaits its new owner.
Welcome.
What an absolute delight. Let's show you around. Gourmet chef kitchen, 5-burner gas stove, stunning two-tone covers.
And a lovely scullery accommodating 3 appliances.
A must-have walk-in pantry. Stunning, open plan, family-orientated layout. Right time with a stunning built-in bride. Offering a guest bedroom and guest bathroom. Lana, study with built-in cupboards. Frameless glass balustrade.
Lounge with a coffee bar, built-in TV wall unit, place to relax and enjoy.
And third bedroom with shared bathroom. Fourth bedroom, main bedroom ensuite.
Look at all these cupboards for the ladies. One for the shoes, one for the dresses, one for the hats, one for the handbags. An absolute ladies' delight.
Now this is what you call an ensuite bathroom. Stunning value at 4.85 million. Time to make it your home.